Alright, here we go. Turn this up a little bit. Is that better? Alright, here we go. Ready? Ocean. Ocean. Let's go like that. Outwards. Go. Alright. Here we go. Into the oceans. It's gonna be cold, I think. I'm gonna lose this thing. I better not lose this thing. I'm just gonna see what it's like to go into the ocean. And I might have to hold on to this thing a little bit. Ready? Some nice forming waves. Look at that. Nice forming waves. This is the first thing it's gonna do, is it's gonna lose this thing. It's a little bit rough. Pounding surf. The pounding surf. Here comes another nice well-formed wave. Nice. See? Woohoo! A little chilly, but it's still okay. I'm still okay. I'm gonna have to hold it and dive into a wave, I think. If I get a wave. Am I gonna get a wave out here? This one's starting to break a little bit. Ooh. This one looks a little treacherous. It's a little scary. A little scary looking. We'll hold on to it. Ready? So far, it's holding on pretty well. We'll dive into another one like this one. Look at that nice wave. Woo. All right, it's the ocean. There's the Rosarito. Los Pelicanos. Los Pelicanos. I think this is actually a little bit colder than the pool water. Ah, but it feels good. A little bit cold, but good. Here comes another wave. Oh, a lot of seaweed over there too. Let that seaweed go. Oh, over this time, over. Wow. That was taller than I thought. Here comes another. Looks like a tall one. Okay, that's good. I feel the water drawing in. Pull against the water. Alright, looks like we're gonna make it out now.